What is your favorite food?
I like rice and chicken.
Do you like cold drinks?
Yes, I like cold drinks.
Can you cook food?
Yes, I can cook simple food.
Where is your phone?
My phone is on the table.
What color is your bag?
My bag is black.
Do you have a friend?
Yes, I have one friend.
Is it raining now?
Yes, it is raining.
Are you sleepy?
Yes, I want to sleep.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
Do you like your teacher?
Yes, my teacher is kind.
Can you use a computer?
Yes, I can use a computer.
What do you see outside?
I see trees and cars.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, I have a blue pen.
What are you doing now?
I am learning English.
Is your room clean?
Yes, my room is clean.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What is your favorite fruit?
I like mangoes.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play mobile games.
Where is your friend?
He is at home.
Do you like going outside?
Yes, I like to walk.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Liba.
Is your mother at home?
Yes, she is in the kitchen.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't have a car.
What do you want to learn?
I want to learn English.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I like dogs and cats.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and take a bath.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch cartoons.
Can you sing?
Yes, I can sing a little.
Is it hot today?
Yes, it is very hot.
What do you wear at night?
I wear a t-shirt and shorts.
Do you feel happy?
Yes, I feel happy.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I eat every morning.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink water and tea.
Can you speak Urdu?
Yes, I can speak Urdu.
Do you go to the market?
Yes, I go to the market on Sunday.
What time is lunch?
Lunch is at 1 p.m.
Do you have a sister?
Yes, I have 2 sisters.
What's in your bag?
There are books and a pencil.
Do you write in English?
Yes, I write simple words.
Are you learning English now?
Yes, I am learning now.